Part 3 of things teachers should know, NotebookLM edition. Now, hopefully you've already watched the other videos, so you know how to create a NotebookLM account, what it's for, and how to upload documents. We're jumping back in. When I've already got my documents uploaded, I've already know how to ask it questions, but now we're going to my lesson where we were talking about having cross-curriculars, and I've got to now deliver a business studies lesson, but I've got to have something about Brazil in it. This is the bit where I give my voice a rest and I say, I want a bit of novelty in here Friday afternoon. Okay, something for the auditory learners. I'm going to create a podcast. Yes, absolutely a podcast. It can make it. So we can do two things, one even more impressive than the other. First, I'm going to go to this customize button. We've got audio overviews over here. I'm going to click customize. I want suitable for 15-year-olds and talking about the business and economy of Brazil. So I've given it a little bit of custom detail. It's going into that, and then I've just did it quickly, but I've just clicked generate. It's now going to go through that entire book and it's going to single out all of the bits to do with business and the economy, and it's going to create a podcast. Yes, a podcast. It doesn't make it immediately, not like other AIs. You can see it'll take a few minutes and there's no need to stick around. Podcast ready. I had to click load, and then I've got this little screen here and I just click play. Here we go.
All right. Ready to jump into this deep dive on Brazil? We've got some really interesting sources here about their economy and business world.
Yeah, it should be fun. We'll try to break it down into some key takeaways.
And there we go. You can see it's created a 10-minute podcast, which if you click this button, you can download it. It downloads as an audio file. You can save it to your computer. You can play it out in the lesson. You can learn from it in the car. When I'm on my way to my lessons, I download these things when it's something complicated and I listen to it. Okay, that's impressive. But then about 3 weeks ago, a month ago or something, it got even better. Watch this one.
All right, ready to jump into this deep dive on Brazil. We've got some really interesting sources here about their economy and business world.
Yeah, should be fun. We'll try to break it down into some key takeaways for you.
Okay, cool. I know one thing that really stood out. Whoa, did someone just break the fourth wall? Let's hear it.
Yeah, it was me. Actually, I'd like you to refer to me by name. Can we talk about Jack in the podcast, please? And I particularly would like the economy. If there's anything about surfing or the coastal economy, can we talk to him about those things as well, please?
Absolutely, Jack. It's great to hear from you.
Yeah, welcome, Jack. We're so glad you're here with us.
We'll be sure to refer to you by name from now on.
And we're happy to talk about what interests you.
So the coastal economy, and specifically any connections to surfing, is something we can definitely cover for you, Jack.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, did you see what's just happened? So you can play that in front of the class. This is a teacher-led experience, and the kids can interrupt, ask their questions, and it will redirect the 10-minute podcast to whatever they're interested in. Mind-blowing. It's definitely the sort of Friday afternoon gimmick that will keep a class entertained. There we go.